In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kajabi's AI Course Generator. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, plus a few tips to help the AI produce a strong first draft of your course outline. Start by signing into Kajabi and heading to the Products section, then open Courses. This is where all your course content lives, and it's the starting point for creating something new with AI. If you're creating a new course, click the plus New Product button, choose Course, and select Get Started. You'll be prompted to enter a course title and a short description. Keep the title clear and specific because the AI uses it to understand your topic. In the description, briefly summarize what the course covers and who it's for. A couple of sentences about the audience and the main outcomes can help the AI shape better modules and lesson ideas. Think of it like giving your assistant a concise brief before they draft an outline. Next, enable the option that says something like, "Use this info to generate content and additional resources." Turning this on tells Kajabi to use your title and description to build the course outline for you. Depending on your plan and settings, it can also suggest extras like a landing page or an email broadcast. You're not committing to publish anything yet. This simply gives the AI permission to generate a draft you can review later. Click next to move through the setup screens. Choose your course colors to keep things visually consistent with your brand, and upload a clean, high-quality thumbnail so learners can spot your course at a glance. Decide whether the course will be free or paid. If it's paid, enter your price and complete the payment settings so customers can check out smoothly when you're ready to go live. If you're not sure about pricing yet, you can still proceed. These settings can be refined later. After you confirm these details, Kajabi will generate a draft course outline automatically. You'll see a structured layout with modules, individual lessons within those modules, and suggested resources. This draft is designed to save you time by giving you a thoughtfully organized starting point that reflects the title and description you provided. And that's it. By navigating to Products and Courses, creating a new course, enabling the AI generation option, and stepping through the basic setup, you'll have a complete draft outline ready in minutes. It's a fast, guided way to move from idea to structure so you can focus on refining the content that matters most to your learners.